What's up, guys? Good morning, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. Here from Jason YK again. All right, so today I just have a piece of advice for you guys, and that is just like I said on my Telegram that I was gonna post a video and I was gonna tell you guys, what you guys need to do, yeah, with the current market. You will all agree with me that because of Trump's tariff, the up and down of the tariff, the momentum of the market has been so massive. The momentum has been so crazy these days. And then you can see, before you close your eyes, within 5 minutes you just see that one candle will take you to 600 pips, 1000 pips, 2000 pips, 3000 pips. 3000 pips that we hardly book in 2 weeks before, we are getting it in a day. In fact, within 5 minutes we are getting it now. Within 5-10 minutes we are getting it now. So what do you guys really need to do at this particular time? Now, if you are like I was saying, if you're smart enough, this is the best time for you to make money and this is the best time for you to lose money. So what do you really need to do at this particular time? Yeah, here's my honest opinion and my piece of advice to you guys that are watching this video. If you look at my weekly outlook for last week, the market was actually here on this trend line. We had a break, and when the market opened, there was a gap down here. This is my trading journal. I have two trading journal now. I have two trading journal, and the market actually gapped down here, and we have this. And our weekly outlook sales, I didn't post it on my YouTube. Why? The reason is because the one I posted last 2 weeks ago, everybody make massive profit on that, but I didn't get enough encouragement. That was why I decided that last week I was not going to post anything. And this coming week, I'm not going to post anything as well. I'm not going to post any weekly outlook tomorrow as well. So that's why I'm just dropping this video for you guys. But if you're on my Telegram, fine. I used to at least post one or two for them there. So yeah. So the market was actually here last week. We had a gap down here, and I said that the market was going to react here and take us up to this trend line. This trend line is a very strong trend line. That the market was going to take us up here to this trend line. We are going to have a change here, which was what happened here, this little retracement. And we said it was going to take us here before dropping it down, But the market actually stopped here last week. If you look at this pip, this is so crazy, The movement for last week is over 5,000 pips. So what you guys need to do in order to make money and to utilize the market and the current market condition is, as a day trader, swing trader are going to enjoy the market very well this time around. But day trader, I will advise you, number one, if you are a scalper, just be very smart with the market. This is the time for you to reduce your lot size. This is not time for you to be taking high risk, or you want to overtrade, you want to over leverage, you want to use high lot size. If you use high lot size this time around, you're going to blow up your account. And your number one priority as a trader is for you to protect your capital. But if you mess up with your capital, you just see yourself going back. You just see yourself going back. So the best thing for you to do right now is for you to reduce your lot size. Maybe you are using one standard lot before. I'm telling you, this is time for you to reduce it to 0.1 or even 0.05. Yeah, that's number one. Number two that you need to do is, if you're a scalper, you need to be very smart. Stick to your system. If you're a scalper, and if you see that the market go against you, close it and look for another opportunity. Don't even wait for, okay, it's gonna go down, it's gonna come back. No, the momentum is so massive right now. I don't want to use F word. Yeah. All right. So another thing is, if you are a day trader as well, you might need to change your time frame that you trade on. Maybe you're trading on, I'm having class with my mentees tomorrow, so I'm going to break all this down very well. All this, I'm telling you, I'm going to show it on chart and I'm going to break it down for them very well. If you want to be part of it, part of us, you can check the details on my Telegram. Please, I don't manage account for people. Don't let anybody tell you that, okay, they are just like, I've seen a lot of groups that they are claiming to be me. I will never ask you for money. I will never tell you to send money to my account. If you're going to join any of my program, be it a signal, be it one-time mentorship, one-on-one mentorship, or general mentorship, which is one-time payment as well. Make sure you hear my voice before you take any action. All right, guys. So what I will just advise you is, maybe you're trading 5 minutes, 15 minutes before. I will advise you to switch to 1 hour. Start trading on 1 hour. After doing your top down, go to 1 hour and stick to 1 hour. Place your trade on 1 hour. Look for a better place to put your stop loss, a reasonable place to put your stop loss. And then once the market move in your favor, like 200 pips, just break even and wait for the market to do its own. you know so this is just the piece I need to tell you guys today. I don't want this video to be too long. It's just a piece of advice for you guys. Today is Saturday, so I expect everybody to backtest the market. Go back to the market and backtest the market. Look at what happened last week. We had this retracement, then we have what? W pattern up, and this is happening again. And this, what do you guys think is gonna happen? With this, you should know what's gonna happen. All right, guys. So this is where I'm gonna end it for today. I'm gonna wrap it up here for today. Remember, this is Omojesun YK. Till I come your way again. If you've got any question, feel free to ask me. Drop it in the comment section, or you can ask me on my Telegram or anywhere. All right, guys. So this is where I'm gonna drop it for today. Till I come your way again. This is Omojesun YK signing out. Peace. Bye for now.